You got to take steps, you got to plan, you got to be progressive about what you're doing. To use a weightlifting or an exercise or health and fitness analogy, when you go to the gym, you can bench press a certain amount of weight. You can military press a certain amount of weight. You can squat a certain amount of weight. You can curl a certain amount of weight if you're just starting out. And how do you succeed at your health and fitness goals? How do you succeed at getting in shape, putting on muscle, getting bigger? You do it progressively. You make a plan so that over a period of time, you increase the number of reps you do in a set. You increase the number of sets you do. You increase the weight on the exercises that you're doing, on the sets that you do. You decrease the amount of rest time between the exercises to increase the intensity. All these different things that you use to progress. People today, and I talk to people like young people like this all the time, they think that success, the pot of gold just falls from the freaking sky. That success in life is just going to happen. Dreams don't do themselves. You're going to have to do the work. When you take it out of the secrecy of your mind, you breathe life into it. Success in life just doesn't happen. You got to do the work. You got to make it matter, because it does matter. Every day. Never does it not matter. If the first thought you have in the morning is can't, then you damn sure won't. And if you won't, you own it.